In the client server systems, the security benefits from central control are the admins that can enforce the policies, change any keys, or patch in one place. The only thing is that the centralization does concentrate these risks. If the server is compromised, many of the clients are affected all at once. Even non malicious outages like patch reboots or capacity limits can create downtime for everyone involved. The key to this is defense and compartmentalization to reduce these and reduce the blast radius. A single point of failure is any dependency without redundancy. When it fails, the server is completely down. Common single point of failures include authentication servers, database primaries, single shared storage arrays. In order to mitigate this, we can deploy replicas, load balancers, multi-region patterns, and test for the failover regularly. Backups matter wherever data loss causes any harm. Some examples are like clinical care, emergency response systems, or even businesses. The backups must be done frequently to be protected from tampering and verified by restoration drills. Think beyond just making copies and actually plan how quickly you can restore these services to get the systems back up and running. Scalability is about the sustainment of the service quality as demand rises. We scale up or out, but also design stateless services. We also use caches and queues and stay on the lookout for any challenges that come up. Retail traffic spikes are a reason how elasticity and auto-scaling policies are important for these types of systems. The backend is where core rules and data integrity live. An example of this is when you submit a payment, the backend verifies the payment, reserves the funds that are needed, and then writes a record of all of it. In the public safety sector, this is like collection of the incident data and maintenance of the workflow rules with calls that come in for emergency services provided. The front end processor is the translation for the user intent into the clean, validated requests. A good front end prevents any bad inputs early and keeps the experience quick and efficient by minimizing the redundancy of any trips. Collaboration is very prevalent to things like Google Docs. The ability to have multiple editors, comment on things at the same time, automatic saving, all this reduces the friction in the work being done. For organizations, shared documents centralize their knowledge. The only thing is to be mindful of permissions that are needed and any offline work that wasn't synced properly when finished. The client-side scripts make applications feel more responsive. Some validations will happen instantly, and content updates will happen, make it much more smooth. Modern framework often replaces the jQuery, but understanding this model remains important. Frameworks provide battery-included capabilities with routing, templates, ORM, security helpers. These all allow the teams to be able to deliver faster and with fewer defects. PHP is still widespread for content types of sites. Frameworks in .NET, Rails, Python all support these powerful web applications. Some benefits would be reuse of components, the speed up of development, and the improvement of maintainability.